All right, boys and girls. We're moving on to example 4, and it's using a calculator, and we're going to evaluate cotangent of 34 degrees, 30 minutes, and 26 seconds. Believe it or not, this is my second attempt in recording, and I hate starting over. So I'm just going to go with what I have, okay? So we have 34 degrees plus 30 minutes is 30 over 60, and 26 seconds is 26 over 3600. And we're going to use a graphing calculator. So let me pull up what I already did. So depending what kind of calculator, and let me zoom in, depending on what kind of calculator you have, your calculator will do all the work for you. And I was able to put mines in fraction form. But be careful, because when you put it in fraction form, it'll give you your answer in fraction form. But if you don't want it in fraction form, all you have to do is press math. Okay, I pressed alpha by accident. Press math and then go to decimal. And now it takes your fraction back to a decimal. Okay. So 34.572222, and I don't want it to be that long. So usually when it's that long, I usually cut it at the 100th. Okay, so sorry that it's shaking. So basically, I'm going to convert this to approximately, and it's an approximation, 34.51 degrees. Okay. So now we're not done. We just literally went from degrees, minutes, and seconds to now just degrees. Okay. And so we're going to now find the cotangent of 34.51. So cotangent of 34.51 degrees. Okay, so somebody asked me, do we have that cotangent button? No, we don't. We only have sine, cosine, and tangent. But you know that cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So you can just put it this way in your calculator, and it'll give you the same answer. Okay? As the reciprocal. Now we are working with degrees, so make sure your calculator is in degree mode. Mine is already in degree mode, so this will work. So I'm going to put, I'm going to write it as a fraction. So go to frac, and then I'm going to write 1 over tangent of 34.51 degrees. Okay. And this is my answer, approximately. Again, I don't care for all these decimals, so I'm going to cut it off at 2. You can cut it off at 2, 3, or 4. They didn't specify, so I'm just going to cut it off at 2. So this is going to be approximately 1.45. Okay. So cotangent of 34.51 degrees is approximately 1.45. And that's it, guys. That's my final answer. All right, awesome. Let's move on to the last part.